The Honda NSX, a hybrid engine sports car with an aerodynamic design, has one of the displays at the Honda Gallery. The Honda NSX is a two-passenger sports car manufactured at the Performance Manufacturing Center in Ohio, USA with lightweight and sturdy aluminum and an aerodynamic shape. The Honda NSX is designed to maximize the sporty driving experience, representing the NSX new sports experience. The Honda NSX carries a 3.5L DOHC twin-turbo V6 engine that produces 500 horsepower at 6,500 to 7,500 revolutions per minute, and a maximum torque of 406 pounds-ft at 2,000 to 6,000 revolutions per minute. When combined with the extra power of the hybrid engine, the Honda NSX can produce up to 573 horsepower and 476 pounds-ft of torque, accelerating to 60 mph in 2.7 seconds and a top speed of 191 mph.